talking like I scared you. That body, let me hold it till I break through. Love it, you gotta love it high. Oh, what a treat to enjoy, cause you're such an awful boy. What do you like the best? Come on and tell me. Colorful eyes, obsessed, my head is pounding. You make me dance to what is left inside my head. What is love it? Under your skin and your blood, beyond the bone, sure enough, I'm feeling empty, so come get me, be my puppet over. You feel a pain in your chest, your breath will leave you for dead. I'll show you how to really love it, tear your feelings, Come on and whisper to me, that collar won't let you free. Staying committed to the bit, you're just my little love it. You're going crazy, you say, true love is blind anyway. I'll show you how to really love it, tear your feelings, out.
Couldn't forget the place I ran. I'm watching you drowning in it. Pain, please go away into your neck.
You're fucking dumb, look at your face, you're a bum.
Listen, you're such a stupid boy.
Promise the pain is so bad, come on now, is it? Okay, you're mumbling again, I can't listen.
You make me dance inside my head. I'll eat you next.
What is love? I'll eat the marrow before your body can hit the floor. You're looking empty, so come get me, be my puppet alone. You're going crazy, you say, true love is blind anyway. I'll show you how to really love it, tear your feelings, If there's a plan, then assume my love personified you. You wanna do it better, prove it, be my little puppet. You're going crazy, you say, true love is blind anyway. I'll show you how to really love it, rip your guts all out. Couldn't forget the place I bet I'm starting to drown away. Pain, please go away and tell me that I'm great. Couldn't forget the place I bet I'm starting to drown away. Pain, please go away and tell me.